To perform an optimization for a pond model, you will need a comparison surface and pond grading feature. The comparison surface should represent the existing conditions and can either reside in the drawing or be data referenced. The pond features need to be constructed using closed geometry like a polyline, feature line, or parcel. To optimize your pond grading, you will need to assign it to a grading object from the grading optimization tools. Select the pond feature in the drawing, then select the pond grading object from the tool palette. In the pond properties, specify a formal name for your pond. Select whether your pond will be a dry or wet pond. The pond type determines which parameters can be set for the pond design. Enter the minimum storage value for your pond in cubic feet or meters, depending on your drawing units. Enter the maximum depth for your pond. This is measured from the freeboard depth if used in your pond design. Enable the option to allow the boundary to changes. This will allow grading optimization to reduce or enlarge your pond boundary to optimize the design. Enable safety bench to allow for additional interior grading. Use the pond diagram to identify the berm and safety bench parameters for the pond. Then enter the design parameters values in the respective fields. These parameters will be used throughout this course for both the preliminary and final design. To validate that grading object has been assigned, you can set the color to update the pond feature in your drawing. Once your grading object has been assigned, you can close the grading tools and start the grading optimization. Upon optimizing your pond, make sure to select the correct comparison surface if you have more than one surface in your drawing. In grading optimization, set the optimization options for a pond. For a pond only grading object, you can lower the number of iterations to speed up the optimization result. Under the objective weights, set which objective you want to target for optimization. For this course, you can maximize the cut space balance and minimize earthwork to give us an ideal preliminary design. Click Optimize, then allow some time for your optimization to complete. To see how your optimization is in progressing, check the progress bar below. While your model is optimizing, you can view the real-time evaluations and watch the convergence plot narrow in one solution. When the optimization finishes, you can view the cut and fill volumes on the optimization panel. This particular pond design did not balance perfectly, but gave us a good result to work from. Now that the pond has been optimized, the grading results can be saved back to the drawing. Select Send Optimization Result. In the dialog, specify a name for the grading optimization surface. The grading optimization surface will only be used for preliminary assessment. Select the style you want to use to display the surface. The feature lines will be valuable for our design to set the initial pond elevation. Create a new site for the grading optimization feature line, then click Finish. The grading optimization surface is created from the feature line and is merged into a comparison surface. The pond grading, albeit is not a pristine design surface, is optimized to meet the minimum storage volume that is needed and is elevated to closely balance the earthwork volumes. Leveraging these preliminary grading features for your pond model will allow you to arrive at your final design much more efficiently.